Hello friends, in this video you will learn about Cryoparametric Part Modeling 1, Introduction about Part Module. Before proceeding for this video, I will recommend you to watch previous videos. This is your Cryoparametric 3 window. If now we have to learn about new part, creating new 3D part. Click on new, select the part file. It is already selected in default. Type the name of the file. Say for example you want part 1, then write part 1. Deselect this default template. Now template defines the unit system. When you deselect this default template, you click OK, it will prompt you a dialog box. It is showing you different templates. Now I want to create part in millimeter, Newton and second. Select this. In parameters write the description and model by and then click OK. This is your part window. I will give you brief introduction about the part module. This is your model tree. Whatever you will sketch or whatever you will use in this part modeling, it will automatically save in this tree step by step. If you select first sketch, then sketch will be saved, then you select extrude, then extrude will be your second name on this. We will see that in the following videos. Model tree shows you three different plane. Right plane, when you select on right, the right plane is highlighted in green color. Top plane, you can see the selection, front plane and coordinate system. These are basic 4 datums already given. Without datums you cannot sketch single thing. It is compulsory to keep datum in any part. Now this is your datum section in which you will be able to create new plane, axis, you will be able to keep points, coordinate systems, and this is your sketch. Now sketch is always created on a flat surface. Now these are the different shapes which will help you to draw the things which you want to draw. These are the engineering, it are the secondary functions. Whenever you use primary function, after that only you can use this secondary functions. So it will be highlighted once you sketch any basic function. These are the editing tools, and this is for surface modeling. In the part modeling, it is also important view tab. Now it shows you the appearance, means the color of the object, section of the object, different views, different display styles, and this is the tag on and off and display on and off. I want to on this plain tag display. Click on plain tag. Now you will be able to see the names on the corner. This is also important. This is for zoom in, zoom out, pan zoom, refit. These are the different orientation: back, bottom, front, left, right, top. This is the standard orientation. Your model is in standard orientation. Now if you want to rotate this object, hold the scroll button and drag the mouse. You will be able to rotate the object. And to pan this object, hold the shift key and drag the mouse. Okay, now you can easily on and off the display of axis, point, coordinate system, plane from this graphic toolbar. If you want to bring this back again to default orientation, select on save orientation and select default orientation. It will come in default orientation of isometric view. These are the shortcuts available on the model tab for easy access. This is annotation display. This is a spin center display. This video was about part introduction. In the next video you will learn how to use sketch and datums. In the next video you will learn about Cryoparametric part modeling to sketch setup. Thank you for watching this video. For learning Cryoparametric, subscribe my channel. For any queries, email me at bluespark79@gmail.com or you can comment me on the comment section given below. Thank you.